In this video, I am going to talk about top 8 free certification courses on marketing. And these courses are offered by one of the world-renowned company, and it is HP Live. So let's see what are these 8 free certification courses on marketing that you can do totally free and get your free certificate. Here you can see the very first course is Marketing Benefits versus Features Marketing. So in this course, you'll be able to learn how to create marketing materials to promote the advantage of your products or services to the target audience. The second course is Setting Prices Marketing. This course will help you to explore how to use research to determine prices for your products and services and how to use word processing software to track the information gathered. The third course is here, Selling Online Marketing. In this course, you'll be able to learn how to create effective online listings for your products and how to use photo editing software to improve your product photos. The fourth number course is your Target Audience Marketing. You can explore from this course how to gather information about your existing and potential customers. The fifth course is here, Unique Value Proposition Marketing. And in this course, you'll be able to explore how you can differentiate your business from your competitors and how to use the internet for research. Then the sixth number course is Social Media Marketing. This course will help you to explore a range of different social media marketing platforms and learn how to create a social media advertisement. Seventh number course is The Art of Sales, Fundamentals of Selling. This course will definitely help you to find out how to negotiate sales, handle customer objections, and use sales tools to become a better salesperson. And the last course is Effective Business Website. This course will help you to learn how to use a web tool to build a user-friendly website that meets your business goals and effectively reaches your target audiences. So now I'm showing how to actually enroll these courses. So to enroll these courses, at the very first, you need to click here, join for free. That means you need to create your free account here. So click here, join for free. Then here you need to use your full name, mail address, you need to create your password. Then you need to select your gender. Then how did you hear about HP? And then click here, sign up. Then you will be able to create your account in HP totally free. And here's another option. If you want, you can use Google to create your account. Okay, then after creating account, you need to log in your Gmail account to verify your mail. Here you can see welcome to HP Live. There's email, just come to my mail. Then click over there. Okay, after verifying mail, then again you should come back this page. From there you need to select the course that you want to do. For example, I would like to do this courses, social media marketing. Just simply click over the course name. And here you can see it is free course, 100% online, and the certification available on completion. That means if I complete this course and if I pass here, then I will get my free certificate from these courses. And here you can see already 40,403 students enrolled in these courses. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click here, enroll button. So when you click enroll button, then here you can see a start lesson button is available here, a start lesson. So remember one thing, after creating an account, you need to at first verify your email, then you need to enroll these courses like me. Then you will get such a start lesson option directly. So to start this course, you just need to simply click here, start lesson. And now here you can see your course outline is available right now. Here you can see introduction, lesson 2 to 4. Then you need to simply click here next to continue.
My two favorite customers.
Okay, and then I can click here to go to next page. So in this way you can complete these courses, and here you can see the progress will be shown here when you complete it. So after completing these courses, you will get your free certificate from this HP. So check the video description to get all the necessary links.